From concept to completion, every Altus Industrial Aluminium product is crafted and delivered with precision. From the initial design process to die creation, through to extrusion, surface finishing, and final delivery, we manage every stage to ensure your project performs exactly as intended. We also provide sheet and plate products as an off-the-shelf solution or extruded to your unique requirements. Our nationwide network ensures your aluminium arrives on time, ready for fabrication, helping New Zealand industries keep moving. Because for us, solutions are achieved through partnership. Altus Industrial, aluminium forged by nature, enhanced by Altus.